Hello everyone, it's Bombers Regional 6 and welcome to my first ever video that will be in the dark, and it will be of quiet, low toned, not always loud. I'm doing this video because I am coming to terms with what has been in my recent past. For most of the people that are on here that watch my videos, you do not know what happens, but to those people who know me in real life and are my friends, I am very sorry. I should have never done anything to harm you guys. I should have done everything in my power to not do nothing that was evil and harsh. Not to mention do everything bad. I just really wish that I could turn everything back, but I can't. And I know I don't have the power to. I'm just human, like everyone else is. I just hope that with time I can get your trust back. I just really hope that this life is not going to be the end of our friendships. I don't want it to happen. I just want us to be friends again. No more secrets. No more lies. No more bad things. I just want everything to go back to the way things were. This video is for my friends. My dearest friends that I once called my family. Because they're not just my buddies or pals or amigos or homies. They're the ones that I actually don't want to see go. Sorry that this has to be the first emotional video that everyone else sees, but I am just making sure to cope with everything that I have done over the past few times that I have been not so myself. Thank you for watching. I will be doing another video for either vlogging or gaming. I don't know. My Twitter is in my account bio. Also with my new Instagram, you can follow it. It's not much, but it's something. And I think if I can, I'm gonna probably see if I can do some Twitch, maybe in the further future if I get like some new recording software and a new computer. I can do some Twitch streams, like probably gaming, PC, I don't know, but I'll see what I can do. Anyway, as always, stay chillin'.